Hi guys, welcome to a day in my life.
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side. It makes me...
So today is obviously a day in my life video. I have so much stuff I need to do. It is Sunday today and Chad is away for the day and for the night at like a bachelor party. It's like a camping thing. It's only 30 minutes away. He planned it really close in case I need him, because if you are new here, I'm very pregnant. I'm 35 in a few days. I think I'm like a few days shy of 36 weeks pregnant when you guys watch this. So he's close by if I need him, but I feel like this was the perfect opportunity to get a lot of stuff done since he's not around. So I have a huge list I will read off to you. And I started filming this a few days ago, but I was so tired that day. Some days I'm like exhausted and I can't do anything, and some days I have so much energy I can't sit down. It's weird. But I started filming this a few days ago. I went to a doctor's appointment first thing in the morning, and then I went to a salt bath place. It's like, I don't even know how to describe it, but it's basically like 1,000 pounds of salt in a foot of water and you float. And it's supposed to be like sensory deprivation. So there's no lights, there's no sound. And essentially it's like floating for an hour, which I left the door like propped open because I'm anxious. Like I cannot handle being in a box. I didn't realize it was like fully enclosed. So I did that and then I just went home and like fell asleep. So today I was like, I'm gonna redo this video and I have a huge list of things that I need to do today. So gosh, I really hope I get this done. I wrote down I need to get ready. I did that. Start the day in the life video. Here we are. Pick up the house. I'm going to do that after this. Finish my decluttering video, which will be after this video. I need to film a mom in the making video. I am almost done having everything ready and prepared for when the baby's here. So I really want to film a mom in the making video of like setting up his stuff in our room and getting ready for the newborn phase. And then I need to set out all of the stuff for that video. I want to go to the grocery store. I need to film a voiceover, or I need to record a voiceover for another video. I want to do like a skincare routine that's really good because I have a breakout on my chin and more. So if I can at least finish those 2 videos, I will be very happy. But before I move on to making a coffee and picking up the house, I want to let you guys know this is a collab with Tiffany Beeston, who is so cute. Why didn't you guys tell me about her? I didn't even know about her channel until she reached out a few days ago, and I have been addicted. I've been watching so many of her videos. She is another one of like the mom goals of YouTube out there. So sweet, so down to earth. She has such like a relaxing personality. She does house cleaning videos and decluttering videos. She does like a day in the life, obviously. She has recipe videos for crock pots. A lot of ideas and tips that are like so realistic and so helpful for moms. So that's why I'm like really binging her channel right now, because I know I'm going to get a ton of ideas from her. She's a mom of 3 and her videos are like so well-rounded. There's so much on her channel. So if you are not familiar with her, I will link her video below. She's also filming a day in the life, but she has tons of content, you guys. Like, I know you will like her. I love her, so I think you guys will too. If you enjoy this video, please hit the like button, please subscribe, and let's go make some coffee and get my life together. And lately I've been a little less into my coffee, but I'm going to make one of these because again, I have a huge list of stuff to do today. This is pumpkin spice cake. It's really, really good. Open up. And I probably won't even finish this, but if I don't finish it, I put it in the fridge, and when Chad gets home, he drinks it. If you guys think I'm obsessed with coffee, he is like on another level. And as you can probably tell, I haven't gotten dressed yet. I'm still in my pajamas. But I will show you guys like what I want to take care of before I start filming, or at least finish filming a video I already started. I have so much sciatica pain right now that I limp all the time, and it like takes me, it's just so hard for me to slow down. I know I have to slow down, and I'm like being forced to from being super pregnant and everything, but it's hard, and the sciatica pain is the worst. So it's been taking me forever to like do everything. But anyways, I'm going to show you what I'm going to take care of after that's done. First up are the dishes. Before Chad left, he made me breakfast. I'm going to pick up random things that are left out over here, probably put this stuff away, straighten up in the living room a little bit. I was doing my nails last night, so that stuff's out. Probably won't fold this laundry until a little bit later because again, I just want to get to filming my other videos. And again, it is Sunday, so I do want to wash our sheets, throw those in the laundry, and then bring up whatever else is not folded. I know I have at least 2 loads of laundry that have to be folded. And I did reorganize the fridge yesterday because the nesting is so real. That's why I want to go to the store for groceries too. It's because like it's pretty empty right now. I got rid of everything that was old. Don't really have, or obviously there's nothing in there. There's a little bit in here. I feel like this salad mix is kind of on its way out. If we don't eat that in the next few days, it's gonna go bad. But yeah, I took everything out of here and I wiped it all down yesterday. So it's fresh and ready to go. Wipe down these, reorganize these. Same over here, but the coffee creamers I've been addicted to lately are these Starbucks ones. I'm going to use the cinnamon for my pumpkin one. And normally I would put the coffee creamer in this thing. It warms it and froths it up. However, I have a lot to do. So I'm going to skip that, pour it in, stir it up, and get to work.
It's 1 a.m. and I ain't tired. I can stand right here and talk all night if you want. I ain't got no place to be, no one's waiting for me. I won't lie, I'm into you. Got like a million ideas what we could do. Cause I'm not gonna let you slip away, I won't waste this. There's something about the way you fix your eyes on me. I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turning up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love? When you talk or listen close, there's just something about your voice. I think that every word you say to me is like poetry. I just want you for my own.
I think that's good enough for now. Hopefully I have time for everything else a little bit later. I'm going to get dressed and start my next video. Here's what I'm wearing. This is a maternity top from ASOS. So comfy. And then these leggings are from Nordstrom. I'll link them if they're still available and you're pregnant too, because they are so comfortable. They have pockets. And I just realized, I told you guys I was going to take the sheets off our bed and throw them in the wash before I started filming, and I forgot. So I'm gonna do that right now and keep going.
Easy to tell that you're the best girl I've ever known. I'm not gonna waste this. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turning up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you.
I realized I should have bought a white pregnancy pillow because it's gray. Ow, sciatica. So I throw in all the laundry, or I throw in all the sheets except for that, and then I wash it separately. Sheets are in, and I bought this at the grocery store last week. I'm going to test it out. I feel like our whites are starting to look a little stingy and yellowy, so I'm hoping this helps. Really wish I had the motivation this pregnancy to use this stuff, guys, but I don't think I've used it any more than once or twice this whole pregnancy. I'm annoyed with myself, honestly, but it is what it is. And we bought this, what is it called? An Ergo Baby. It's like one of those, I know it's a pregnancy symptom, but I can't think of like the most random words, and it's so annoying, but it's like a holder for a baby. What do you call that? That's not the right word. Where you put them in it and wear it. It's one of those, and we bought this. It was a Craigslist find, actually. Somebody bought it and they only used it a couple times. She said she used it like 3 times and it was like $60 on Craigslist, because I know brand new it's like well over $100. I think they're like $160. They're not cheap. So it came with a pillow for a newborn, an insert, and I washed all of this stuff, so it's fresh and ready to go. But yeah, such a good deal. I did not want to spend that much money on this thing full price. So now I'm going to pee for the millionth time. I'm going to drink some water, and then I'm going to finish my decluttering video.
It makes me shine. We got one
first video is finished now and it's already 3, so I'm a little bit nervous about the next one if I will have time. It's been so dark all day, which is like the worst for filming, but I mean there's nothing I can do about it. It's like really rainy. I'm out of breath. I'm going to fill up this water jug. I've been trying to drink as much water as I can, and then I'm going to eat something, fold some laundry, and then start the next one and try my best to finish it today. For lunch, I'm trying to figure out something that will be really easy. I might have this leftover soup with crackers in it and like an apple and peanut butter. That doesn't even sound good, but it's easy. Or maybe I think I'll have one of these from Costco. They're okay. It's not going to change your life. And on top of it, I add a little bit of extra shredded cheese. I'll put this in at like the last 15 seconds and then I will add sour cream on top too. This is such a random sad looking lunch. When it's only me though, I just try and get rid of leftovers. So I have my burrito with sour cream and hot sauce and then some leftover soup from the other night. I think it's cashew and carrot, and I'm going to put these Parmesan wisp things on top.
What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love? Fix your eyes on me. I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy.
Okay, had lunch, the dishwasher is going. Now I'm going to change my shirt so I'm not wearing the same shirt in my next video. And it is so rare that I film any more than one video in one day. I know some people can film like a lot of videos in a day, but honestly I can't. I don't know. It just takes me a long time to film a single video. But with a baby coming, I need to pull it together. So. Outfit number 2, the only difference is my sweater. This was a find from Zara a couple years ago, but it is really cute and super comfy, and it has this on the wrist and also has it on the neckline. It shouldn't take me too long to film this next video, probably like an hour and a half or 2, and then I might go to the grocery store, but I might just do home delivery for groceries. I'm limping around so bad, you guys. Like, I feel like I would be embarrassing myself at the grocery store, like not being able to get everything I wanted to get and being too tired. So I guess I'll see how I feel after this.
What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turning up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now?
So it is a little after 6. I finished filming my first video like right before 6, 5 to 6. I think I'm getting the cold that Chad has had the last couple days. Probably just from like being on my feet all day. Honestly, I'm so exhausted. So I created a home delivery order for the groceries and I literally had everything in there, like a full cart. And then I went to the checkout page and it said the first available time slot is 10 p.m. I don't want to wait 4 hours. Like, I can't imagine having to wait. Like, I had things in there for dinner. Sometimes it's only an hour, and then if they're really busy, it's a long time. So I'm just not gonna do that because I don't think I can even, if I wanted to go shopping myself, I honestly don't think I could. Like, at this point, I'm limping around. My feet are killing me. Everything hurts. So I guess I'll find something here for dinner. Some days are like this where I'm so busy I don't even have a chance to leave the house. I may run out and get something for dinner. I don't know, I haven't decided. I just can't imagine shopping though right now. Like, I literally don't think I could do it. So I'm gonna import the footage from the second video I filmed, start working on it, and then I'm gonna put on my pajamas actually. As soon as I'm done filming this clip, I'm going to put on my pajamas, the same ones I had on in the beginning of this video. I didn't sleep in those, I just got ready in them. So I'm going to sleep in those tonight. And I will literally be working on my computer like all night, and then I'll probably do a bath or a skincare routine. I feel like this video is not gonna be super interesting for you guys, but honestly, some days are like this where I'm just like going, trying to get as much done as I can, and today is absolutely that kind of day. That laundry has been haunting me all day. I don't even know if I'm going to get to that. Have my PJs on, so tired, and I'm gonna have a couple of these for now, probably 2. I'm going to have to make something later, but for now, gonna stick with those. I don't even know what I'm gonna make. If Chad is here, he makes our food literally 100% of the time. And when he's not here and I have to fend for myself, it's like, I act like a toddler. I don't know why it's so hard for me. It's 8:15. I just made some dinner. This is as good as it's going to get. It's just buttered noodles with Parmesan cheese, pepper, and this garlic salt. Not much, but again, real easy. I used to eat this all the time when I was little, so for just one, it'll do. And I'm going to end this video here so I can eat my pasta, take a really long hot shower. I need it, if you can tell from my voice. I think it's getting even worse. And then I'm going to edit in bed until I fall asleep. That is it. So you're not missing out on anything. Make sure to check out the link below for Tiffany's video. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this. I also have a lot of links for recent videos and more. And I'll see you guys right here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye.